All right, guys, we converted a closet into a food pantry, and we added these little lights from Amazon. And what's great is you just stick your hand in there and it turns on just long enough for you to look, get what you want, and then it turns off automatically. You don't have to worry about a light switch. Of course, these are battery operated, but because we're only turning them on for, 10 seconds at a time, the batteries last pretty long. I'm going to show you what we did here. So there's a magnet on them, and then you get these little metal stickers that comes with it. We just stuck the sticker up here and then stick it on. That is easy, no wiring installation, perfect for a pantry or somewhere you're getting into that's kind of dark that you want motion to turn on. Super, super good buy. Super valuable. Yeah, kind of dark. Woo! Let there be light. Love these. Love these little lights. Highly recommend. Easy to take off, change the battery, put back on. Batteries last a long time. Awesome.
If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.